Cleaning up leaves. The leaves are changing colors. The leaves are changing colors. I see red maple leaves. I see red maple leaves. I see orange maple leaves. I see orange maple leaves. I see yellow maple leaves. I see yellow maple leaves. The leaves are beautiful. The leaves are beautiful. It is starting to get cold. It is starting to get cold. The wind is strong. The wind is strong. Winter is coming. Winter is coming. The leaves fall off the trees. The leaves fall off the trees. On Saturday, we will clean them up. On Saturday, we will clean them up. The whole family helps. The whole family helps. My dad gets the rake. My dad gets the rake. My mom gets the garbage bags. My mom gets the garbage bags. My brother and I help too. My brother and I help too. We gather leaves with our hands. We gather leaves with our hands. We make a big pile. We make a big pile. My brother and I jump in the leaves. My brother and I jump in the leaves. We make a big mess. We make a big mess. Our parents don't mind. Our parents don't mind. Our parents fill our coats with leaves. Our parents fill our coats with leaves. We look really big. We look really big. Everyone laughs. Everyone laughs. Playtime is over. Playtime is over. Back to work. Back to work.